Magandang umaga. Nandito kami sa Adamson Company para interviewin si Mr. Gian De Castro, the CEO of Adamson Company. Ating aalamin ang tungkol sa organizational environment and culture. Mr. Gian, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Gian.
Good morning.
Mr. Gian, gano'n na po kayo katagal dito sa inyong company?
Medyo matagal-tagal na din. Bata pa ako. Matanda na.
Mr. Gian, yung first question po, ano po yung external environment?
External. So, nasa labas. Ano yung nasa labas na entity? Ito yung mga pangyayari, mga events or situation na nangyayari sa labas ng company, sa labas ng entity. And there are some other entity that has a big company decision. So, yung kumpanya na yun, they have the possibility to influence or affect their own company. Sabihin natin business ko, there are some other big decisions that can affect my company's decision also. Kasi nga, they have the power to influence or affect you.
Thank you, Mr. Gian. Sa changing environment naman po tayo, ano po yung environmental change?
Environmental change. The rate, ito yung rate at which companies general specific environment change.
Thank you, Mr. Gian. Next question, Mr. Gian. Ano po ba yung under environmental change?
So yung under the environmental change, nandun na tayo sa stable, which means mabagal yung ng kumpanya, yung pagbabago, tapos yung dynamic, mabilis yung pagbabago.
Okay. Sir, ang ano naman po yung environmental complexity?
Complexity. From the word complex, it has many parts. So according to our books, the number, so marami talaga siya. Marami talaga siyang factor that can affect the environment, that affect organization. So, yung intensity, ito yung bilang. Sabihin na natin parang lindol, may intensity that na pwede maka-affect sa organisasyon mo.
May under po ba sa environmental complexity?
Oo, meron. Nandun yung simple tsaka complex.
Ano po yung simple and complex?
Ito yung with has few environmental factors, while the complex with many environmental factors.
Thank you, Mr. Gian. Ang next naman po, Mr. Gian, yung resources scarcity. Ano po ba ito?
Resource scarcity, from the word resource, ito yung mga pinagkukunan natin yung raw materials, di ba? So, yung scarcity, sabihin, from the word scarcity, pagkukulang. So, yun yung resource scarcity, pagkukulang na pinagkukunan natin. Pero, from the word abundance or shortage, yun yung hindi lang shortage, kundi abundance din ng ating resource.
Okay, Mr. Gian, maraming salamat for answering the question. How about naman, sir, yung uncertainty?
Uncertainty. Ito yung to the extent at which manager can understand or predict. So, ito yung dito mo malalaman kung hanggang saan yung kumpanya mo. Doon mo ma-predict to the extent. Sabihin na, from the word to the extent, pag hanggang doon na lang yung ma-predict mo. Yung sobra, hindi mo na yung ma-predict. Yung pagbabago that affect their businesses.
Okay, Mr. Gian, maraming salamat. Sir, sa general and specific environment,
Bakit?
ano po ba pinagkaiba nito dalawa?
Pinagkaiba. I-explain ko sa inyo. Pinagkaiba ng specific tsaka general environment. Itong general environment, ikukumpara ko sa katawan ko mismo. So lahat ng parts, lahat ng organisasyon
Thank you very much, Mr. Jan. Ito na pong next question ko. Gusto ko po itong malaman. Ano po ba ang environmental scanning?
Ito yung environmental scanning. Ito yung mga issue na dapat mong alamin inside or outside the company. Yun lang yun.
So, Mr. Jan, napaliwanag din na po yung external environment. How about internal environment? Ano po yung internal environment?
Internal environment. Ito yung unions na pwede maka-affect sa isang organisasyon, management, saka mga employees. Ito yung mga desisyon na pwede talaga maka-affect o bali yung events saka trends inside the company. Yun.
Speaking of organization, ano organizational ang creation, success, and change?
Organizational culture.
Paka-explain po kung ano
Ito
organization.
yung values, beliefs, saka attitude shared by organizational members.
Ano ba ang paraan kung paano magiging successful ang isang organizational culture?
Nandun tayo sa ito yung culture based on adaptability, involvement, a clear vision, and consistency that can help companies achieve higher sales growth, quality return on assets, profits, and employees satisfaction.
Okay, sir, for the last question. Ano po ba ang sekreto niyo kung bakit napakasikat na ngayon ang inyong kumpanya?
Well, we drop great attitude. If you don't have a good attitude, we don't want you. No matter how skill level who you are, we can't change attitudes.
Thank you, Mr. Jan.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jan, for accepting this interview. Ngayon, nalaman na natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng organizational environments and culture. Susunod na topic ay tungkol sa ethical and unethical workplace behavior. Ating panoorin kung ano ang mga example nito.